the basic things you need to do after or right after you buy a used car, because it is more important for you to know the right thing, the best thing you have to do after you buy a new car, so that the car will be safe and it will automatically becomes your own. In this video, I'm going to share you a lot of buying a used car, what to do after you have paid for the owner, after you have get your document, and what to do for you to protect the car, to own it as much as you can. Welcome to Eric Auto Center Worldwide, and this is the home of auto. As usual, we continue allowing you experience motor vehicle and automotive tips, principle, basic hints, and many more. This is what we do here, and I welcome you. If today is your first time to discover my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated, because we give you undiluted tutorial, undiluted video content on this platform for you to know and know more about a car or auto tips. This is why we are here. Now, what you have to do right after you buy a used car, I have 5 basic tips for you so that you can keep in your mind and keep in your basket, for you to keep it and know what to do right after you buy a new car. So number 1 tip is that after you buy a new car, after you buy a used car, get it serviced. Once you get the car home, take it to a trusted mechanic and get it thorough-free check and get a proper service. Get it serviced. Once you get the car home, take it a trusted mechanic and get it thorough-free check and get a proper service done. This is tip number 1. Now, tip number 2 is also more important, and we can't waste more time for you, so that let's push the video out, man. Tip number 2 is get it clean. Get the car clean. Get your used car clean, thorough-free, clean, and sanitized by professional. You have to send your car to get it clean. Send the car to washing bay, get it clean by a professional, so that you can feel the new scent, the new ownership dealer. This is tip number 2. So keep in mind, and this is very important for you to do. Tip number 3. Tip number 3 is ownership transfer. Right after you buy a car and after the payment, you have to do transfer of ownership. Everything's supposed to be in your name, the document, everything, so that you can able to hit your chest that you are the owner of the car and you are the one holding the right and original document. This is what you have to do next. Tips number 3. Keep in mind. Moving forward, we have tip number 4. And tip number 4 is also more important. And this channel will provide you basic car review information and update until we finish this episode in 2022, because 2023 is going to be more fire on the field of auto. So we are going to push you to tip number 4. Tip number 4 is get the car insurance. You have to get the car insurance, insure your car, so that if anything, in case of accident, in case of fire outbreak, fire gut or whatever, flooding, you can able to get your car insured and secure, so that insurance company will be able to assist you and sort you out if any of these things happen to you. So you have to keep in mind. Tip number 5. Now, what is tip number 5? Do a periodic maintenance. We all know that doing a periodic maintenance is also count, and once you have done that, you are ready to go, because doing a periodic maintenance will keep you, will enable your car to get more accurate performance, get more important service. You have to send your car to regular car service center. Schedule a proper maintenance. Schedule a good maintenance. You have to done proper maintenance. Do the right service. Do the right thing to maintain your car. If you really want to keep your car as much as the manufacturer did, or the condition you buy the car, if you really want to keep it to that level, or above that level. You have to, I mean, do periodic maintenance. So this is the best thing I have for you, and this is the best thing you have to do right after you buy a used car. Don't skip any of this, because it is more important for you to do this so that you can able to hold the car and use the car, and it will also enable you to use the car and keep it for long lasting. This is the basic thing. So don't forget to share this video. Please, if you get this video, push it forward to any of your social media platforms, your family, friends, your loved ones, and I mean all your platforms, so that any of these car users can also get benefit from it. And this is Eric Auto Center Worldwide. Until we meet you next time, stay blessed, stay positive, be better and not bitter. God bless you for subscribing to my channel. God bless you for discovering my channel. God bless you for watching, and don't forget to put your comment below in the comment section so that we will read you, because as I also said, and as usual, we take our audience feedback more seriously than everything on this panel. So thank you and meet you. See you once again in the next video. Bye bye.